In this video, I explain benefits of essential oils. Watch this full video. Essential oils, which are concentrated extracts from plants, are often used in aromatherapy and other wellness practices. They are believed to offer various health and therapeutic benefits. Here's a detailed look at the benefits of essential oils. Physical health benefits. 1. Pain relief. Lavender, peppermint and eucalyptus oils. These oils are commonly used to relieve headaches, muscle pain and joint pain. They can be applied topically diluted with a carrier oil, or inhaled. Anti-inflammatory properties. Essential oils like ginger and turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and pain. 2. Improved sleep. Lavender and chamomile oils. These oils are known for their calming and sedative properties, which can help improve sleep quality. They are often used in diffusers, baths, or applied to pillows. 3. Enhanced digestion. Peppermint and ginger oils. These oils can help alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. Peppermint oil, in particular, can relax the gastrointestinal tract muscles. 4. Immune support. Tea tree, eucalyptus, and lemon oils. These oils have antimicrobial and antiviral properties that can help boost the immune system and fight off infections. They can be used in diffusers or applied topically diluted. Mental and emotional health benefits. 1. Stress and anxiety reduction. Lavender, bergamot, and ylang ylang oils. These oils have calming effects that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Aromatherapy with these oils can promote relaxation and a sense of well-being. 2. Mood enhancement. Citrus oils, orange, lemon, grapefruit. These oils are known for their uplifting and energizing properties. Inhaling these scents can improve mood and increase feelings of happiness. 3. Improved concentration and focus. Peppermint and rosemary oils. These oils can help enhance cognitive function, improve concentration, and boost memory. They are often used in diffusers or applied to pulse points. Skin and hair benefits. 1. Skin health. Tea tree oil. Known for its antibacterial and antifungal properties, tea tree oil can help treat acne, fungal infections, and minor wounds. Rosehip and lavender oils. These oils are often used to promote skin healing, reduce scars, and improve overall skin tone. 2. Hair care. Lavender and rosemary oils. These oils can improve scalp health, reduce dandruff, and promote hair growth. They are typically added to shampoos or diluted in carrier oils for scalp massages. Household benefits. 1. Natural cleaning. Lemon, tea tree, and eucalyptus oils. These oils have natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, making them effective for cleaning surfaces and disinfecting the home. 2. Pest control. Peppermint and eucalyptus oils. These oils can repel insects such as mosquitoes, ants, and spiders. They can be used in sprays or diffusers to keep pests at bay. Therapeutic benefits. 1. Aromatherapy. General well-being. Using essential oils in aromatherapy can improve overall well-being by enhancing physical, emotional, and psychological health. Different oils are used for various therapeutic purposes, such as relaxation, energy boost, or mental clarity. Precautions and considerations. While essential oils offer many benefits, it is important to use them safely. Dilution. Essential oils should be diluted with a carrier oil, such as coconut, jojoba, or almond oil, before applying to the skin to avoid irritation. Allergies. Perform a patch test before using a new essential oil to check for allergic reactions. Quality. Use high-quality, pure essential oils to ensure safety and efficacy. Consultation. Consult with a healthcare provider especially if pregnant, nursing, or having underlying health conditions, before using essential oils. Conclusion. Essential oils provide a wide range of benefits for physical, mental, and emotional health, as well as practical uses around the home. Their natural properties can enhance well-being and offer alternative remedies for various ailments when used correctly and safely.